In this tutorial, we will use PyMuPDF Stories to create a two-column layout PDF document. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. We can now import PyMuPDF. We will also need the library I/O. Stories allow you to use HTML syntax to add content to PDF documents. In this tutorial, we're using very basic HTML content as our source text. It includes simple tags like HTML, body, H1 headings, and some plain text. Next, we need to create a story object. The parameter HTML is used to include the source content. The property body allows us to use XML methods. Let's specify page dimensions, as well as the where rectangle, which defines where content can be inserted. Next, we need to define page layout. The where rectangle will be split into two columns using the method makeTable. Using list comprehension, the list of lists returned by makeTable is flattened so that we get a list of rect objects corresponding to individual cells. Next, we need to create a document writer object that will write to memory. The while loop ensures that any content that does not fit in the first page will be added to the next pages. The method beginPage is used to start the page. Then the methods place and draw are used to insert content into the columns. The page is then ended using the method endPage. Finally, create a document object from memory using the method open, then use the method save to create the file. Here is the result. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.